Hello everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here with the Country Craft Creations Design Team project. Now you guys have already seen the box here, and there's a tutorial available for this. And I apologize for the confusion at the beginning of the tutorial. Hopefully by adding those measurements down in the description it will be easier. And just a quick, what happened is this space here is a bit tight for these, so I opened that up and it caused some confusion because I changed the measurements after the tutorial was already done. So you guys have already seen this, and I just wanted to finish the box by going through the mini album that I made. And this is actually a mini album October daily, and I used the Bewitched paper line by Echo Park and just some black and gray trim I had, and then 3 black enamel dots, and the rest is the paper and some medium weight chipboard. So to get started, the album measures about 5 by 5.5. Just to let you know that the papers do stick out a 1/2 inch where I put the trim here. That was not intentional, so if you don't want that to stick out, then you would have to make the cover just a little larger, but I'm happy with the way it was. If I had to do it again, I probably would. So the front has my favorite image from the paper, and this is one of the 4x4 cut aparts, and it's got the Happy Witch, and the spine is about a 2-inch spine, and I used a cut apart from the paper, just fussy cutted one of the labels, and then the back has my favorite 3x4 cut apart on it. And having said that, I wanted to let you guys know that both projects, both pieces, I ended up using a total of 1 of each piece of the decorative paper, some of the solids and patterns from the Authentique Spectrum line, and then 2 additional papers. One was the black that I used for the biggest part of the book here. I used an extra one of those, and then I used an extra 4x6 cut apart sheet. So if you want to do this exactly the way I did, you could get the pack with the 1 of each paper, an extra piece of that black pattern paper with the stars and clouds on it, and an extra piece of the 4x6 cut aparts, and then have some patterns or some solids or pattern solids like this Authentique. Country Craft Creations has a coordinating paper available, so you just search. Okay, so let's open it up. I use a lot of the cut aparts. This is one of the 3x4 cut aparts, and I left the backs plain. Remember, this is an October daily, and I do count in the video the 31 spots, and then there's some negligible left over depending on where you want to do it. So you definitely have 31 spots here. And the front of this one is just plain, and then it folds out and up. So you can see where you start to visualize the places that you can add photos. And this 4-inch cut apart is actually a pocket, and it has a booklet in it. Oh, that's the page. And then there's a flip, and of course you'd have to use some of these patterns are, I left black, but some of the patterns I put on there, and you'd have to cover those up. And flip. There's a little 3x4. And I didn't add the numbers to it as I explained in my video. This one has a magnet, by the way. I explained in the video is that, you know, what if you want to put the numbers on the pictures, or if you just want to switch the numbers up a little bit, you surely can. So I didn't add the numbers on. This one's triple pocket, and it's got two 3x4 cut aparts, and these pockets go all the way down, so you can add another one here and it will still stick out the top, but it would still slide down, so you have potential to stick another 3x4 in there, or a similar size. And here is a double tuck pocket. And I just put one 3x4 in there. Of course, you could load that up if you want with other things. You don't even have to tuck it behind that second pocket. And then you're going to slide it open. Here's a 4x4 booklet. It slides right in here. Eat, drink, and be scary. So I really like the cut aparts in this, so I did feature them a lot. I left the back plain for the 31st picture. And then the last page, there's a 3x4, and it folds out. There's another 3x4, or I'm sorry, this is a 4x4 cut apart. And it slides right into the calendar. So you can display this every year, or you can even make a new October daily every year and pull it out when you're ready. And this project is versatile. You could do it Halloween, you could do it Christmas. So I would like to thank everybody, the Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations Facebook group. Obviously, it's a great community of people, and all my subscribers. So if you would like to win this box in the mini album, or the October daily album, all you have to do is comment below and be a subscriber. And if you're not already a member of the Country Craft Creations Facebook group, go ahead and sign up over there. Again, it is Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations, and I'll put the link in the description below. So I will do the drawing for this next Sunday, which is going to be Sunday, September 16th of 2018. So yeah, just watch then. And again, the criteria, just be a subscriber to me, make a comment below so I know you're watching still, and be a member of the Facebook groups, Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creation, and I will send you this project that I have created on this YouTube channel for you. So be on the lookout for the next few days. We will do the tutorial for the mini album. Hopefully it's easier to follow than the box was. Again, I apologize for any confusion, and I'll make it 1-hour segments until it's done. So that'll should start tomorrow. So I thank you very much, you guys, and I appreciate all of you. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, big thumbs up, and have a great night. And thanks. Bye-bye.